Welcome, in front of me is a Poco F3, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know. So let me quickly lock the device, and you can see I do have a pattern set, so I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know it. And to get started, hold power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now, power and volume up. And once you see the Poco logo, you'll feel a vibration, at which point you can let go of the keys. And from here, using volume keys, you want to select wipe data and then confirm it using power key. Wipe all data and then confirm. Will automatically begin the process, and once it gets to like 3%, it basically finishes it up. So let's press power key to go back to main menu, reboot to system, and this will reboot the device, but it will also continue the process in the background. So it will take it a little bit longer to turn back on than it normally does, so just be patient. But once the process is finished, we'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.